गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वञ्चक्रोधस्य कृपा सिन्धु भवेव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत् पंकज। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। सप्तकाञ्चन गौरङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेवै प्रिया वै कृष्णभक्ति देवी तत्त्ववत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीनापराधलब्धिकस्य कामादि तरङ्गमध्ये वामयि तं शरणं प्रपन्न वृन्दे नमस्ते शरणागतम्। भजामि राधं अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधं मधुरस्मिताश्रयम् वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रा ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। हा देवी काकुहर गदगद यद्वाच याचे निपत्ति भुवि दण्डोद्भुतार्थे अष्टप्रसादमोदस जनास कृत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणनां विदेहि। अंगसैमुलिविछटामन्दी कितन्द्री वरं जड्डं जाचु गुरुरुचि संवत्तं रसस्त्रिया नारायणनिवासनं दामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशरोज्जलोभुजं ध्येयं सुदामोदरम्। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विज्ञायते राधे संज्ञयामि शरणानि। पुंसे विभूषितकरान्नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरादुर्नबिम्बफलास्तात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् कृष्ण चैतन्य भूरितानन्द श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Maharaj and Nitya Vishnupada Asutra Sadhana Bhakti Vedanta Siddharnani Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful and pranam to Sri Nitya Vishnupada Asutra Sadhana Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava and presented all of my respectful guests. So, so I did not speak about Haridas. Haribol, did you listen?
We can hear you now, Gurudev.
Did you listen, Haribol?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Okay. So the day I did not speak about Haridas Thakur. Uh, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, mainly also mentioned to Haridas Thakur. One is called Nam Brahma Haridas Thakur, another is called Chota Haridas Thakur. Chota Haridas Thakur also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also chastised him, and he then Chota Haridas he also left his body to and in Prague Triveni, and that katha you know, but today I want to speak about Brahma Haridas Thakur, Haridas Thakur Nirjan, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So very nearest and dearest of Lord is Haridas Thakur. Actual Haridas Thakur is well combined from Brahma and Prahlad. And actually Shatadev Dham Mahaprabhu's Nitya Parikar with Haridas Thakur and also he assists Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preaching Nam Sankirtan. When this Bhauma Vrindavan or Bhauma Navadvip Lila, that time, and also Brahmaji and also Prahlad entered in his body and performed this Lila. When this Bhauma Lila finished, then Brahmaji he returned back his own place, and also Prahladji he returned back in his own place. So in this way, our Vaishnava Acharya they also discussed these things. So Haridas Thakur, and he born in Budan Gram, and in Chaitanya Bhagavan Vrindavan Das Thakur, who is the Vyasa avatar of Chaitanya. There is Chaitanya Vyasa avatar, Vrindavan Das Thakur. He wrote in Chaitanya Bhagavat. And Budan Gramante Gramete Avatirna Haridas. Se bhagye se sabdese kirtana prakash. কতদিন থাকিয়া আইল গঙ্গা তীরে আসিয়া রহিলা ফুলিয়া শান্তি পুরে পাইয়া তাহার সঙ্গ আচার্য গোসাই ওঙ্কার করেন আনন্দে অন্ত নাই হরিদাস ঠাকুর অদ্বৈত দেব সঙ্গে আসেন গোবিন্দ রস সমুদ্র তরঙ্গে চৈতন্য চৈতামৃত চৈতন্য ভাগবত Adi Lila, 16th chapter and sloka number 18. Vrindavan Das Thakur explained. The Haridas Thakur, he was born in Puran village. And then he also came in Fulia, Santipur, and he got association with Advaita Acharya. And Advaita Acharya and Haridas Thakur also completely absorbed with Nam Sankirtan. Haridas Thakur is the eternal associate of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is called Bhagavat Nitya Parshad. And he was born in Jasur. That is called now. That is called East Bengal, um, Jessore district, Buran, and he was born in Muslim um, family. That is called Jaban Kuli also. And but those who are pure devotees of Lord, they can take birth in any caste and race. And just and give an example, Gorula, who is the carrier of Lord Vishnu, but he was in and the dynasty of birds and Pakshikuri. Hanuman, and he also and monkey, and in this way Hardas Thakur, in this lila he also performed this lila that is called the uh, human that is called Musalman and family. And so our Shastra explains it. Kiba Vipra Kibanasi Sudra Kenan Jai Krishna Tattavita Sai Guru. One who takes birth in India. Janma birth is not the main thing. Things is that and how much he has bhakti. And Brahman nahi jadi asat pati chale. And Chandal nahi jadi Krishna bhaji. And that means one who takes birth in high class Brahman family but not performing bhajan and sadhan, and that is called useless. Or one who takes birth in lower family and lower caste, but he is performing bhajan sadhan, so he is higher than Brahmana. And so in this way, Shastra also says, Aho bato sapachate guryan jod yagre vartate nama tuddam te pustapasa susunu raja brahmana gunshani. And Aho bato sapachate guryan. That means one who chants Nama Brahma, and, and he is higher than Samavedi Brahmana. Generally, Samavedi Brahmana, they are higher than others and Brahmanas. But one who chants holy names and Suddhanam, pure holy names, he is higher than Samavedi Brahmana. And so saying Brahmana nahi jadi asat pathe chale. And he is not a Brahmana who does not follow the four principles and chanting holy names. Or one who takes birth in low caste family but chanting holy names, following the four principles, and he is higher than Brahmana. And so now coming in this way, Hardas Thakur, and he was born in Muslim family, Javan family, but he has Shraddha, faith with holy names. And he performed bhajan sadhan on the bank of the Ganges in Fulia. And then he got association of Hardas Thakur. And, and all the residents of Fulia, they are very overjoyed with the great association of Hardas Thakur. And, and every day they used to come to take darshan to Hardas Thakur. And, but some envious people, they also complain to the Muslim government. And then they told, oh, Hardas, he is Muslim, but he is chanting the Hindus and God's name. And for this regard, and the Javan Muslim, Javan Raja, and he also disturbed and to Das Thakur. Even Muslim, they also disturb to Hindus. Javan haiya kare Hindu rachar, bhalo mate tare ani karo vichar, papir bachan suni seis papamoti, Haryana hilo tari oti sigragati. In Chaitanya Bhagavad Vrindavan Das Thakur also explained, when the envious people, they also complain to Hardas Thakur, to King Javan, Muslim king.
Then Muslim king also gave heavy punishment to him. That time Qazi, and that Muslim government Qazi, he asked to Hridas, why are you taking the name Hindu's God's name? And so you have to give up the Hindu's God's name. But Hridas Thakur is told, God is not belongs to Hindu, Muslim, Christian, and God is beyond of caste and race. But as Muslim, he did not to follow this rule. And and he told, no, you have to give up the Muslim, a Hindus, God's name and chant and Allah, Kalma. And but Das Thakur, he told, Lord is one. There are no difference between and Allah and Krishna. And but I want to chant Lord name Krishna. And because according to Hindu Shastra also and Quran also very clearly explained, there are no difference between Lord and Allah. এতে আমার যে ঈশ্বর যখন লয়ালে চিত্ত করি আমি তেন দাস ঠাকুর he told, I am chanting holy names, but this is also Allah's name is there. Lord three times. One is called Mukhanam, another is called Gaunanam. Mukhanam means principal names. That is called Ram, Krishna, Hari. That is called his principles. Or Gaunanam, that is called Allah, Brahma. That is called secondary. And so Hridas Thakur he told, I cannot give up holy names. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And Hridas Thakur he told, Khanda Khanda hoy যদি দেহ প্রাণ তবু আমি বদনে না ছাড়িব হরিনাম. If my body cut in pieces, I will not give up Harinam. And then Qazi, the Muslim government, he became very angry, and he also bitterly beat him in the 25 markets and Vice Bazaar. And God Hridas Thakur, he told, I will not give up Lord's name. And Krishna Krishna Smaran Karen Haridas Namanande Dihasu Gunahai Prakash Dihaduk Nahai Prakash. When Haridas Thakur chanting holy names, and Muslims they also bitterly beat him, but Haridas Thakur did not feel anything, and he completely as like Prahlad Maharaj. And his father Prahlad Maharaj, father Hiranyakashipu, tried to kill him different ways. But Prahlad Maharaj did not feel anything because Prahlad Maharaj completely absorbed the remembrance of Krishna Smaran. And in this same way, Haridas Thakur, he chanted holy names. And then Muslim they realized Haridas Thakur is not an ordinary person. And some they also realize, oh, he is like Jinda Pir. And but those who are beating to Haridas Thakur, they pray to Haridas Thakur, hey Haridas Thakur, if you not give up your body, then and Muslim government, they will also kill me. Then Haridas Thakur told, okay, don't do it. Then Haridas Thakur completely also meditate to chanting holy names, and that time they think Haridas Thakur left his body. That time they also throw Haridas Thakur body in the water of the Then and came in Fulia, and then and Haridas Thakur, he was doing bhajan in sadhan and chanting holy names in Fulia. Here also Chaitanya Bhagavat again explained. फिर ज्ञान करी सबे कइला नमस्कार सकल जगत जगन पाई जवनगण पाइल निस्तार. And then all the Muslims, they also and asked their forgiveness and Lord Spirit of Haridas Thakur. And the Muslim, they realized, oh, Haridas Thakur is as the direct manifestation of Pir. So here see, Pir Gyane Koilo Namaskar. And so Haridas Thakur, he also staying in Kuliagam, and nearby one also hole. There one snake was staying, and very poisonous snake, and no one can stay in there because so much and that the bad smell coming from that the hole. And then Haridas Thakur thinking I will leave this place, and সত্যজিৎ ইহাতে তাকে মহাশয় কেহ যদি কালী না ছাড়ে না আলয় তবে আমি কালী ছাড়ি যাইমু সর্বদা সর্বথা. And Haridas Thakur is thinking, okay, if that snake will not leave this place, then maybe tomorrow I will leave this place. And then Nagraj, then king of the snake, Nagraj, and he came in front of Thakur, Haridas Thakur, and told, hey Haridas, I am not ordinary snake, I am just that is called Vasudev. And or I want to listen your Harinam from your lotus mouth. And so here also explain this way. How even Lord Anantadev, he manifests in the form of snake and listen Nam and Harinam from the lotus mouth of Haridas Thakur. But the Haridas Thakur, he chanted Suddha Nam. Three kinds of Nam also. One is called Namaparad, Namabhas, and Suddha Nam. And so Haridas Thakur, he chanted Suddha Nam. And Suddha Nam. For this regard here saying. Then one day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also asked, hey Haridas, and how the other animals, that's called animals, birds, they cannot chant holy names. How they will deliver from this material world? Then Haridas Thakur himself told, পশুপক্ষী ক্রীড়াদি বলিতে না পারে শুনিলেই হরিনাম তারা সব তরে জপিদি কৃষ্ণ নাম আপনে সে তরে উচ্চ সংকীর্তনে পর উপকার করে অতএব উচ্চ করি কীর্তন করিলে শতগুণ ফল হয় সর্বশাস্ত্রে বলে. Chaitanya Bhagavad Vrindavan Das Thakur also explained. Das Thakur himself told, birds, animals, they cannot chant holy names. But when the Siddha Bhakta chant holy names, even they listen the Nam holy names, they will deliver from this material world. Even Haridas Thakur himself told, according to our Shastra explained, one who chant holy names in loudly, Uchchasari Nam Sankirtan, and you will get 100 times and fruits from and chanting and only mind. Here to saying in this, here saying here. Jopile Krishnam Apanarisate. One who chant holy names, he will be delivered from this material world. But one who chants loudly Nam Sankirtan, and he will and other people, they will get the benefit. And অতএব উচ্চ করি নাম সংকীর্তন শতগুণ ফল হয় সর্বশাস্ত্রে বলে। And so if you chant holy names loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And so in this way, Haridas Thakur proved. And because some Babaji Sampradayas or other Sampradayas, they change your Harinam knowledge in called Japa, not to and chant loudly. But here Chaitanya Bhagavad Vrindavan Das Thakur very clearly explained this way. And Harinam also Japanya and also Kirtanya. Both Haridas Thakur who chanted 3 lakhs holy names. First 1 lakh holy names he chanted loudly. Or second another 1 lakh holy names he chant very slowly and only he listened. And another 1 lakh holy names he chant with his mind. So Shastra say this way. And Osta Spandanam Martanam Kirtanam. Kirtan means is what? And what is a Kirtan? Osta Spandanam. If you live Fefe and chanting, that is also Kirtan. And one is called and Upang Sujab. And Manasik job, Upangsi job, and Ucha Sankirtan. And so in this way, our Shastra also explain. And those who are envious people, they are called the demon. Even they also take birth in Brahmana, but they are not chanting holy names. They are called also Brahmana. They are called also demon. And কলিযুগে রাক্ষস সকল বিপ্র ঘরে জনে বেদ সুজনে হিংসা করিবারে। And in Chaitanya Bhagavat also explained, in this Kali Yuga, some Brahmana, those who envious with Nam Sankirtan, actual in previous life they are Rakshas. And I said, now they also appear in this Kali Yuga in the form of Brahmana. And they are evidence in our Shastra also. And in Chaitanya Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this way. And those Brahmana, those who are envious with Nam Sankirtan and envious with Sadhu Guru Vaishnav, then you think in previous life and in first life they were demons, Rakshas, and now they also took part in Brahman family. So the Kali Yuge Rakshas সকল বিপ্র ঘরে জনে বেদ সুজনেরে হিংসা করিবারে। And in the previous life, those who are Rakshas, demon, now in Kali Yuga, they took birth in Brahman family. But not all Brahmanas. Those who are envious with Guru Vaishnav, and they are called Rakshas. So I am saying, Janubek Sujane Hingsa Koribare. And so in this way, Advaita Acharya has so much love and affection with Haridas Thakur. And when Advaita Acharya's father left body, then Advaita Acharya he also performed heart sacrifice his father's and so celebrated very nice, beautiful prasad. And he called all the Brahmanas to take prasad in his house. And then in Navadvip and all the Brahmanas and Chatterjee, Banerjee, Mukhopadhyay, Gangotpadhyay, all they also came in the Haridas Advaita Acharya's house. Then Advaita Acharya he gave his first plate, Shraddha's first plate to Haridas Thakur. Then other Brahmanas they become very angry and jealous with Haridas Thakur. and they used many harsh words to Haridas Thakur, and they did not take prasad and left the house of Advaita Acharya. And, but Haridas Advaita Acharya, he told Haridas Thakur, if you take this prasad, then I think I serve thousands of brahmanas. But Haridas Thakur, very humble, he told Prabhu, why did you give me this first plate and the offering of your Prithvi Shabda Prasad? But Haridas Advaita Acharya told, hey Haridas, you are the best brahmana. And so our Shastra says this, who is called brahmana? And Jamana Jayate Sudra, Sanskaro Dijuchate, Vedat Pate, Bhaved Vipra, Brahmo Janati Jasati, Brahmana. Just only keeping the sacred thread is not the Brahmana. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur also explained, if you put the one sacred thread on the body of the donkey, the donkey will be Brahman or not? Sacred thread is not the only symptom of Brahmana. And Brahmana means is what? Brahma Janati is a Brahmana. So our Shastra is giving evidence. Janmana Jayate Sudra, Sanskara Dijuchate, Vedat Pate, Bhaved Vipra, or Brahma Janati is Brahmana. And everybody actually Sudra, one who takes birth from the womb who is mother, and always you are taking and limitation. This is mine, this is yours. That is called Sudra. Suchanat iti Sudra. And our Janmana Sanskara Dijuchate, when you receive mantra, Gayatri mantra or Gopal mantra from Guru, that is called Janmana Sanskara is called Dija. That is called second birth. Dija means it birth. Second birth. Dija. Di means second. Jo means birth. Is second birth. That is called Janmana Jayati Sudra Sanskar. That is called Dija. Or Janmana Jayati Sudra Sanskara Dijati. Vedat Pate Bhaved Vipra. One who is qualified to read Veda. And is called Vipra. Vedat Pate Bhaved Vipra. Brahma Janati is the Brahmana. Brahma Janati means one who knows the Nama Brahma. Here Brahma means Nama Brahma, Sabda Brahma. Transcendental sound, Sabda Brahma. And it's called Brahmana. And so two kinds of Nam. One is called Sabda Samanna, another is called Sabda Brahma. Sabda Samanna means that is called material sound. That is called Sabda Samanna. A Shabda Brahma, the transcendental sound and the vibration, and transcendental sound, that is the vibration, transcendental vibration, that is called Shabda Brahma. And this Shabda Brahma, this is called Harinam. So Haridas Thakur, he chanted Suddha Harinam. So for this regard, Haridas Thakur is called Suddha Brahmana. Not he is Vaishnava. And so here also Haridas Thakur told, the Haridas, the Advaita Acharya told Haridas, and you accept this Mahaprasad which I offered my forefathers and of my father. If you take this Mahaprasad, then I think I feed thousands, millions Brahmanas. And in this Haridas Thakur, in this Advaita Acharya, he proved who is called a real Brahmana. Then that Brahmana, those who Bandhabadhyay, Gangabadhyay, Chatterjee, Banerjee left Haridas Advaita Acharya house, and then they also night time, they also have so much diarrhea. They are feeling so much pain, stomach pain. They are about to die. Then Advaita Acharya came their house and told, because you committed offenses, lotus feet of Haridas Thakur. So you have to come and ask your forgiveness to Haridas Thakur, and again you take Mahaprasad. Then all the Brahmanas, they came and in the house of Advaita Acharya, and they asked their forgiveness, lotus feet of Das Thakur, and took Mahaprasad. And in this Srila, and proved the Das Thakur is a Shuddha Bhakta and Mahabhagavat. Then another also Lila, Haridas Thakur, when he was staying in Benapur, and that time, and every day he chanted 3 lakhs holy names. That time once, and a person, his name is Ramchandra Khan, he was very envious and pasanda, and he also tried to fall down to Haridas Thakur. For this regard, he also gave some money to one prostitute lady. His name, and if you fell down to Haridas Thakur, then Lakshahira, the prostitute lady, told, okay, don't worry. And very quick, I will also make fell down to Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur chanting holy names, midnight, Lakshahira, the prostitute lady, she came and told to Haridas, Haridas, I am very beautiful and you also associate with me. Haridas Thakur, Mukta Mahapurush, Haridas Thakur, okay, I will fulfill your desires, but I have to uh, to vow to every day I have to chant 3 lakhs holy names. When my holy names will be complete, then I will fulfill your desires. In the whole night, she was sitting in front of Haridas Thakur, or Haridas Thakur chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And then almost in the whole night about morning, then Haridas Thakur told, oh, I cannot fulfill your desires because I cannot complete my chanting holy names. Maybe next day I will fulfill your desires. And here Vrindavan Das Thakur also, and Chaitanya Chaitamritam Antadila, and also ঠাকুর তুমি পরম সুন্দর প্রথম যৌবন, তোমা দেখি কোন নারী ধরিতে পারে মন, তোমার সঙ্গম লাগি লুব্ধ মোর মন, তোমা না পাইলে প্রাণ না যায় ধারণ। হরিদাস কয়ে তোমা করিব অঙ্গীকার, সংখ্যা নাম সমাপ্তি জগৎ না হয় আমার, তাবৎ বসি তুমি শুনো নাম সংকীর্তন, নাম সমাপ্তি হইলে করিব তোমার মন। Haridas Thakur told, then okay, I will fulfill your desires when my Nam Sankhanam will finish, then fulfill your desires. So said first day, also Haridas Thakur told, now I am not and complete my holy names. Maybe next day I will fulfill desires. Then next day, that Lakshmi Hira, the prostitute, she came, and then Haridas Thakur told, okay, sit here, I will chant holy name. Haridas Thakur chanting holy names, and sometimes she also chanting holy names, and Hare Krishna, and sometimes taking yawning, and in this way, second day also, about morning, then Haridas Thakur told, Lakshmira, I cannot fulfill your desires because still I cannot complete my holy name. Maybe third day, tomorrow will come. Then third day she came, and Haridas Thakur chanting holy names, and Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. কালি দুঃখ পাইলা অপরাধ না লইবা মোর, অবশ্য করিব আমি তোমার অঙ্গীকার, যাব ধিয়া বসি শোনো নাম সংকীর্তন, নাম পূর্ণ হইলে হবে তোমার মন। Haridas Thakur told, when my holy name will be complete, I can fulfill your desires. But that prostitute lady, and she listened Harinam. Then she also chanted Holy Nam with Haridas Thakur. Eh? Then she realized Haridas Uttam Mahabharata. She completely surrendered lotus feet of Haridas Thakur. And then she told everything. The Ramchandra Khan sent her to make call down to you. Yes, and then Haridas Thakur told, don't worry. And Haridas Thakur कहे खाने रे कथा सब आमी जानी अज्ञ मूर्ख से तारी दुख नहीं मानी. Haridas Thakur told, don't worry, I know everything. But if you want, and listen, you give up all your wealth money to give and going to Brahmanas and to stay here and worship Tulasi and chant holy names, then your life will be successful. According to the instruction of Haridas Thakur, that Besha, the prostitute lady Lakshmi Hira, she also saved her head and chanting holy names in that place and worship Tulasi. And he had saying, Tulasi sevan kare charvan upavas, Indriya daman kailo premero prakash, Prasiddha Vaishnavi hoilo parama mahanti, Bada Vaishnav tari darshanate janti. In this way, then Haridas Thakur left their place and Haridas Thakur gave his bhajan stali to Lakshmi Hira and chaste lady. That means, but she chanted holy names. Then now she is complete a pure devotee. And Chaitanya Chaitam Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained. Sei se Vishahila Parama Mahanti Bada Bada Vaishnav Tare Darshanati Janti. And before she was chaste lady, and now she is pure devotee of Lord. Even the great devotees and Vaishnav is to come to take darshan. Her and he has a Bada Bada Vaishnav darshan. Just Haridas Thakur is as like what is called parsimony. Parsimony means touchstone. And just with association, then Lakshmi Hira, that she become pure devotee of Lord. So those who are not chanting Naam, holy names, how is great devotee. And so our Shastra is saying in this way. And even Raghunath Das Goswami, in his childhood, he also got association with Haridas Thakur. And sometimes Haridas Thakur used to come in their house. And for this regard, when Raghunath Das Goswami, small boy, he also got association with Haridas Thakur. And because our Shastra is saying, and with the association of pure devotee and listener Harinam, Harikatha, will be pure devotee and Suddha Bhakta. Bhakti su Bhakta Sangana Parijayate, Satsanga Prapade Pongvi Sukriti Purva Sanchite. And when our Sukriti will be matured and accumulated, then we will get the association of pure devotee. And but sometimes also one and envious people, his name was Chapal Gopal. He also discussed with Haridas Thakur Harinam. Haridas Thakur told, if you chant holy names, you will attain to Guru and you will go to Guru Vrindavan. But what you chant holy, even your Namabhas, then or you will get ultimately will get mukti. Then Chapal Gopal, he become very angry. How possible? Yogis, they also perform hard austerities, but they cannot get mukti. Or just Namabhas will get mukti. If in Namabhas will get mukti, then my nose will be cut. Then Haridas Thakur become very upset. Then after a few days, Chapal Gopal, their body completely wet and leprosy. And Papamati Chapal Gopal, and he also criticized to Haridas Thakur. And then he also and suffer and leprosy, Kushtabut, and so never criticize any Vaishnava, Shuddha Vaishnava. And Shastra says, Namabhasya Haita Mukti, just Ajamil, he gave his son's name Narayan. And chanting Narayan, then he attained to Vaikuntha. Namabhasya Ajamil, pile of Vaikuntha. And very clearly explained in this. And so, Nam Harinam, and how is powerful. And Suddha Harinam, or we try to chant holy name, Suddha Harinam. Give up the offenses. And you have to consider, if you want to chant holy names, you have to consider 10 offenses of the holy names. And verse 3 are very prominent. And Satang Ninda, never criticize any sadhu. Satang Ninda. Second, never you think Krishnam equal of Shivanam. Krishnam is a non-different. Krishnam is unique and unparalleled. And Lord Shiva is the servant of Krishna. And third, Guru Avagga. Never dishonor to Guru. If you dishonor to Guru, and even you chant holy names, listen to all your everything is useless. So Shastra saying in this way. And never criticize Guru Vaishnava and never dishonor to Gurudev. And Arurushte Guru Trata. If Lord and angry with you, maybe Guru would be protect you, save you. And if Guru and angry with you, even Lord will not save you. So our aim and object, how Guru will please with us. Jasya prasadat bhagavat prasadu. Jasya prasadat nagata kutayopi. Thanks Bhanta jasasri sandam. Bandi Guru Sri Charanar Vrindam. And so always our aim and object, how Gurudev will be pleased with us. And so in this way, Haridas Thakur and he also praised Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached Nam Sankirtan, and Haridas Thakur always also assist with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in Navadvip Dham, Haridas Thakur, he was staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadvip Dham. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, then Haridas Thakur, he also came in Jagannath Puri and stayed with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Haridas Thakur, he is pure Brahmana actually, but he is very humble. For this regard, he did not go Jagannath temple. But every day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to take darshan Lord Jagannath, and then he came and visit to Haridas Thakur in Siddha Gokul. At that time Lord to say no, any trees, nothing. But one day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took darshan to Lord Jagannath, then Pujari of Jagannath gave him one small piece of Jagannath Datun toothpaste. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought that toothpaste and planted, and in that place, then very quickly manifested a big tree, that is a Bakul tree. And on the shade of Bakul tree, Haridas Thakur, and he was taken there. Later, and some devotees, they also built one small, what is called kutir, at Haridas Thakur. And sometimes Rup Sanatan, and they were coming and staying there. Rup Sanatan, though they were very high class, they were born in high class Brahman family, but they are very humble. They did not also go to the temple of Jagannath, and they are staying with Das Thakur and discuss Nama Tattva and Nam Tattva. And in this way, Haridas Thakur chanting holy name, and when Haridas Thakur, and when become very sick, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked Haridas, how are you? Haridas Thakur told, Prabhu, what is my voice? Haridas Thakur Haridas Thakur told, मेरा घड़ी दो नीचे, and Haridas Thakur told, Prabhu, my body is good, but my mind is very disturbed. Why? Because I cannot chant it and holy names. And then Mahaprabhu told Haridas, and you are now Siddha and complete and perfect. So why you are so give attention and to this? But Haridas Thakur told Prabhu, without and complete holy names, I am not happy. And but Haridas Thakur and told Prabhu, you give me power, every day I will chant holy names. Then next day, Haridas Thakur, he became very sick. Then Mahaprabhu came. Haridas Thakur told Prabhu, you give me place. When I will give up my body, just I see your lotus face, and chanting your sweet names. Then Mahaprabhu cried, Haridas, if you leave this body, so I will stay alone here. And then Haridas Thakur very humble told, hey, Prabhu, I am very insignificant and jewels and millions who have ants or one ants, Pipilika. If you die, so what happened? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told me, Haridas, and you are as like my one wings. That means birds cannot fly with one wing. So you are my one wing, and you are and my best and preachers of Nam Sankirtan. Then Haridas Thakur just took his lotus. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took his head on his lap. Then Haridas Thakur chanting holy names, and then he departed from this material world. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cried and cried. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took his transcendental body and worshipped in ocean. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, today the ocean is called Mahatirtha. And Mahatirtha means if anyone will come in Jagannath Puri, take bath in this ocean, they will take bath all the holy rivers and this Mahatirtha. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again took Haridas Thakur's constant body, and with his own hand he also gave Samadhi. After giving Samadhi, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, he went to the Ananda market and asked to the Brahmanas and give some Mahaprasad. And which Lakshmipati, Sakshat Jagannath, now he is begging his own prasad. And Jagannath in this Haridas Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he collected lot of Mahaprasad, and then he distributed the devotee and fed all the devotees. And this is called Haridas Thakur Mahanirjan. And so always remember to Haridas Thakur how he was very near and dear Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jai Haridas Thakur ki jai. Without this mercy of Haridas Thakur, no one can chant Subha Naam. So again and again, I pay my obeisances to Haridas Thakur for Brahma Haridas. And Mahaprabhu gave him this title, Brahma Haridas, and also gave him Namacharya Haridas Thakur. And so Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he wrote one Grantha, Harinam Chintamani, and discussed all Tattva, Nam Tattva, everything, Nam Tattva, Rasa Tattva, everything. That Harinam Chintamani, two parts. One is called Nama Tattva, another also Rasa Tattva. And everything is also discussed. And all the Rasa Tattvas also Mahaprabhu asked. So Haridas Thakur, and Haridas Thakur also gave answer to him. Harinam Chintamani. Nam, that's good. Namu Chintamani, Krishna Chaitanya Rasavigra, Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta, Avinnatvat, Namu Namina. There are no difference between Harinam and Sri Hari. So everybody have to read Harinam Chintamani. And that things I also collect Harinam Chintamani, and I wrote small one grantha, that was Jewels of the Heart. If you want, you can read that the Jewels of the Heart, and how we will chant pure holy names, and how and relearning chanting of the holy names will realize our own transcendental constitutional formship that we have also. And the Ekadas Bhav and also Pancha Dasha. In everything you also discuss. Nam Tattva, Rasa Tattva, Prema Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, everything is in there. And very nice book, Harinam Chintamani Grantha. And also I wrote this Grantha in English, Jewels of the Heart, and all the evidence in India. So today, again and again, I bow down my forehead, lotus feet of Haridas Thakur and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and all the devotees. Good Premanande. Thank you for the kindness. Good Premanande. Now Haridas Thakur ki jai. At the time now. If you have today, you have any your birthday holiday, just happy birthday. Who has his happy birthday? No one.
Another Pranam Gurudev. Let's see whose birthday it is today.
Who is